What is going on, lunatics? I'm going to talk to you today about some price action, about a proposal that just came up. It's governance proposal 11653, which you need to know about. I'm going to put on the thumbnail something about going to $1, just to see how many people click on it. Make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment if you find that funny. If you don't find that funny, hit the dislike button. Either way, it's engagement. And then I'm going to keep giving you all the information that you need. I'm going to tell you where the price is going. I'm going to tell you why the price is going, where it's going, what you can do about it, how best trade on this chart. We're going to start with that portion first. So as we sit right here, you can see the moves, right? The moves are, we had this little dip down here. This happened on Monday. Now we're on Thursday, a couple days later. We're on a 4-hour chart, but we bounced off of our support at 8,000, basically. Started to move ourselves back up. Now, what you can see here is a convergence starting to happen with the downward pressure. You're seeing this 50-day SMA start to move down in this direction, which means that on this come up right here, our cap is going to be right there at 8,400. So we're not going past that yet, unless there's an incredible announcement that sends the charts to the moon. 84. Now, once that happens, the most likely scenario, because we had 1, 2 playouts, and then we had one down here. We have this play out here, and we're going to have a rejection back down to 8,000. So this is going to be an accumulation opportunity. Now, if momentum stays positive, you won't see it come down to 8,000. You'll see it come down to around 881. So we'll have this kind of movement. Then we'll have this kind of correction down here. We won't wick out to that bottom. And then we'll have this momentum coming, and then we'll probably come back up here and we'll test. And the reason we'll test up here a little bit is because the 200 SMA is also moving in this downward pattern. So we'll probably break that resistance right here. Probably keep coming down. We'll bust through there because it won't be as much resistance right there. We'll use it as support, bounce up here. So that's what this chart looks like. Leave it on there and we'll see how it plays out over the next, let's see, 24, 48 hours. We'll see how this plays out. But I think that that's pretty evident that that's what's going to happen unless we get some kind of big or crazy announcement. So now that you know how to trade the chart, it's up to you to do your own research, see if you agree with that assessment, and then make your trades based on that. If not, then you do you, boo-boo. But we do have 11653, the enhancing governance and decentralization in the transition to Commonwealth. And this is a big deal. Now, the reason for this is because, and there is an article here if you're looking for it, it's on CoinGape, and it says that the Terra Luna Classic Validator Happy Caddy Cryptos come up with a proposal after the community passed a revised proposal to build a community-owned station wallet by Core Joint L1 Task Force, right? Now, it says this: the proposal aims to address concerns related to the transition from Agora to Commonwealth recently, which happened without community voting and transparency. He claims the transition was moderated by Ed Kim, Rex, and Bilbo Baggins without community involvement. It caused Rex and Bilbo to become administrators, which is against the core principles of decentralization. Ed Kim and Rex have declared their departure from the LUNC blockchain, and they are currently focused on developing a separate blockchain called Entropy AI blockchain. As they have no direct involvement in LUNC, their admin roles are questionable and should be addressed and or revoked. As per the proposal, L1TF lead developer Vin Wen should become admin until a new proposal is passed to determine future admins. Community-owned Station Wallet will integrate the Commonwealth button. Thus, it's crucial to reduce unfair control. The community currently favors the proposal with 90% yes. It's received 2 no and 8% no with veto. Validators, including Happy Cat Crypto, Solid Vote, and Community First LUNC have favored the proposal, but other top validators are yet to vote. Price jumped 2% in the last 24 hours. So you're going to have to make a decision on this. What I would recommend is come down here, really click on this, and really read exactly what they're saying here. And that is this. So if you vote yes, you wish for the current admins to denounce roles in L1 team for correct governance procedure to take place in a decentralized manner. Or number 2, you wish for the admins to remain and allow Commonwealth to be moderated. Now, that's a decision that you have to make in the better interest of the community. Decentralization is the ultimate goal. Is it the best path for right now? That's something for you to decide. Make sure that you make your vote and make your vote count. Now, moving on, the price action up a little bit in market cap on the day, but down about 10% in volume. Trade volume did come down just a little bit, despite the better news coming out of the United States, with the BIPs raise and the more dovish approach that you heard from Jerome Powell yesterday. So good things seem to be in the pipeline for the broader market, but we'll see if it transcends into this space for now. Also, Terra Luna Classic at 155 million market cap, at 10 million, also down about 10% in total 24-hour volume. So, and for anybody who had some response complaints, issues concerning my comments yesterday, regarding Tobias Anderson, formerly known as Zeradar, I don't care. I have an opinion. I think what I think. If you don't like it, that's on you. That's not my problem. That's your problem. I appreciate each and every one of you who tune in. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm not here to give you your opinion. I'm here to give you my opinion. If you don't like my opinion, that's okay. You can tune me out. If you do like my opinion, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you leave a comment and hit the bell to be notified of future content, because we're going to be talking about Luna Classic a lot more. But other than that, if you have some kind of opinion that disagrees with me, just leave it in the comments. I'll get to it. We may banter back and forth, but no harm, no foul. It's a decentralized world. We're not going to agree on everything. We're just going to vote on everything. That's the way that it works. It's not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very